Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AnkanaaK by Kaushiki, and this is Kaushiki. Today I'm gonna make a new painting, and let's have a look how I'm gonna mix the colors, how I'm going to shade, and this will be a step-by-step tutorial of a landscape. So let's get it. The materials that I'm going to need to draw this painting are hot pressed watercolor paper, size A4, watercolor set. I have got major brush watercolor set of 12, some masking tapes, a mixing palette or a tray, container with clear water, round brushes, brush size 0, 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6, and a flat clean brush, plain piece of cloth to wipe off the excess water from the brushes. So this will be a wet on wet technique. In this I would take a clean brush or any brush is fine, and dip it into clean water and spread it across the sheet. This gives a texture base to start watercolor painting in wet on wet technique. A hint of blue for the sky. To begin with, to draw the mountains, I would make a grey color with the French ultramarine blue and burnt sienna, and from major brush color set. When you draw with watercolor, you have to keep in mind directly from the pan or the palette, you should not be directly putting the color onto the paper. They'll directly stick onto the paper and you won't get a watercolor flow. I added a little of vermilion tint to create the sunset look. It got blended with lemon yellow. Do not worry about the names of the colors. If you have a primary palette, a set of watercolor which has got the primary colors, you can of course mix and match and use it. Pine trees are my favorite and I just love drawing them. They are very easy to draw and there are many techniques to draw them. My next video will be on this, on types of pine trees and how easily you can draw them. For the pine trees, I'm basically using 3 colors: light grey, French ultramarine blue, and hooker's creep. Now let us draw the water. To draw the water, I'm using a round brush of size 5 or 6 should be fine. The size of the brush actually depends on the size of the paper. My painting sheet is an A4 sheet, so I'm using size 4 to 5 to draw to cover the bigger area. And I'm using the tip of the brush to draw some fine lines and smudge it onto the paper, so that this gives the texture of water, and it differentiates the sky, the mountain, the trees and the water. As it's a sunset and sun is behind the pine trees, so there has to be some reflection in the water. So I'm creating some reflection with the green color. You should not be drawing it straight down, as just getting the shade. I'll make some of these trees little darker. Now adding some lush green dark grasses at the foreground. For these I am using a size 0 brush, and at the top I'm adding some lemon yellow to give it a finished look. Try using a thin brush so that you start from the bottom and just stroke it up and you get a grass pattern. Make it random so that they look natural, not pokey. And the painting is ready. Thank you so much, friends, for watching this video. Do comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos, tutorials, reviews and unboxing. Stay tuned for more. Lots of love. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.